The open road calls to a certain kind of soul, a soul that yearns for something more than a cubicle, more than routine. It whispers of freedom and adventure, a life lived on your own terms, at your own pace. Trading a traditional home for a van is a leap. It's a commitment to the unknown, to letting go of the familiar. It's choosing experiences over possessions, sunsets over spreadsheets. It's about saying yes to the world. Imagine waking up to a new view every morning. The sun rising over the ocean, painting the sky in vibrant hues. Or maybe it's the quiet stillness of a mountain forest, the air crisp and clean. Every day is a blank canvas. This life is about chasing dreams, big and small. It's about collecting moments, not things. It's about finding yourself somewhere between the open road and the starry sky. Life in a van is a dance between spontaneity and routine. Some days begin with a sunrise hike, others with a lazy morning coffee overlooking a vineyard. There's beauty in the unpredictability. Chores take on a new meaning when your kitchen sink overlooks the Grand Canyon. Cooking becomes an adventure, sourcing fresh ingredients from local markets. Laundry day might mean a dip in a crystal clear river. Adapting to different environments is key. One day you're navigating bustling city streets, the next you're maneuvering winding mountain roads. Resourcefulness becomes second nature. But even in the midst of adventure, there's a rhythm to van life, the packing and unpacking, the finding of water and electricity. It's a grounding reminder that freedom is often found in the simplest of routines. The world unfolds in breathtaking ways when your home has wheels. Hidden waterfalls reveal themselves on unexpected detours. Chance encounters with locals become cherished memories. I've shared meals with nomadic families in the Mongolian desert, their stories told through laughter and gestures. I've learned to surf from sun-kissed Australians, the ocean our shared classroom. There's a rawness to experiencing a place at ground level. You feel the pulse of a city, taste the flavors of a culture. You connect with the earth and the people in a way that hotels simply can't replicate. And then there's the night sky. A vast expanse of stars unpolluted by city lights. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the universe, a nightly dose of cosmic wonder. Van life, for all its beauty, isn't always glamorous. There are flat tires in the pouring rain, breakdowns in the middle of nowhere. Finding safe parking can be a constant challenge. Maintenance becomes a way of life. Learning to fix a leaky faucet or change a tire is no longer optional. It's about being self-sufficient, about respecting the home that carries you. There are moments of loneliness, of longing for a warm shower that doesn't require quarters. Days when you question your sanity, wondering why you chose this life. But then you wake up to the sun on your face, the smell of pine needles in the air. You remember the freedom, the adventure, the feeling of being truly alive, and you wouldn't trade it for anything.